I was just trying to give you Monday's market commentary. Hope you're very well. First things first, are you coming along to our free access days to a live trading room? So if you want to come along to the live trading room, it's on Wednesday and Thursday of this week. It's totally free for you to access. All you need to do is fire an email to sam@easytrader.com. Sam at easytrader.com, and she will be setting people up for their access to the room. She's not going to. I don't know how she goes about doing it. I don't know if she sends. I think she sends you the emails the evening before, so that I think that's how she does it normally. So on Tuesday after late afternoon or something like that, she'll give you your access codes or whatever it is. So if you want to go along, then just email Sam and she'll fix you up for Wednesday and Thursday. It should be quite good because obviously it's normal sort of. Work as normal in the trading room, and there's a little bit of news out on those days, so we shall see how we go. Should be a bit of fun. Right, what else we got here? Right, euro dollar. Yeah, I was saying on late last week, I felt that the euro may just want to slide back up a little bit after the big plunge low on Thursday, so it could well want to do that, and I thought it could come all the way back up to 35 or 35.50, basically to come back up and do an air kiss of this trend line you see here. So certainly the possibility there, and there was some divergences I think on the 4-hour chart at the time. Overall, I think we just need to see a little bit of evidence of strength coming back into this one, and it would take a lot really at the moment. It'd need to be way back above its daily 50. But for now, I can see the potential for a drift higher, but it's a danger zone because obviously the trend at the moment, the short-term trend, is down, and so at any time it could have another little flush. But certainly I do see that possibility for the euro to drift its way up, not necessarily every day, but to get back up to that 135 area. The pound overall held up much better than the euro. The pound can get back up to these highs here at 161, then I think we've got that potential for 162 and beyond. So definitely going to be watching the pound to see if it can get up to these highs, and then have a look at the price action then, because I really would like to. I've been long-term bullish on the pound, but like I've said previously, this pattern could take months to develop, or it could happen straight away. I don't know. It could be another couple of months yet. So, but whatever. Certainly have a look at that. Obviously, if it starts to break last week's low, then we've got to then start looking towards these lows because they're nice and neat, and then a break of those. So either way, basically, and then we'll take it from there. So that's the pound. One thing that's there's a couple of things actually. So we've got the gold. I really thought the gold was going to kick on off from this daily 21, but it's not, alas not. So it's come down. So I think that pattern's over for now. I'll keep my eye on gold, because if it does get back up to its daily 50, then I'll start looking at this again on that swing basis. I do think there's an overall pattern in play on the larger time frame charts. But like I think I said recently, if it wanted to come down, it could still come down into 1250 or whatever, break these lows, and then still be coming back up on that overall pattern. So I'm going to keep my eye on that gold one. And let's have a look at dollar yen, and then I'll look at the S&P. Now dollar yen, I guess that threw me a bit last week. We had the nice bearish candle here, and then we've come all the way back up to within this bearish candle, and obviously I was shorting that on Friday, wasn't I? So it didn't work out. So if you just purely looked at the price action, you would say, well, so far the short-term trend is up, so should be continuing to the upside and maybe getting up towards this 100 level. And I think it would make it a lot easier if we can break Thursday's high here, so give us a bit more confirmation. What else have we got here on the dollar yen? But otherwise, I'm still suspicious of it, because I do have this bigger time frame picture based on the monthly charts, and and that's coming down to that lower band on the monthlies. So at any stage, if this was to roll back over, it wouldn't surprise me. But at the moment, at least, then until proven otherwise, unless it does start to roll over, then I guess if we can get back above Thursday's highs, then we should be looking towards 100. And let's have a look at the S&P, because again, the S&P and the Dow did key reversal days last week on Thursday, where they made new highs and then closed below the low of the day before, and I think it was the same on the Dow as well. Yeah, the same on the Dow. So yeah, key reversal days. So and we've come all the way back up within. We haven't breached the highs yet, but nearly. So if we breach those highs, then that key reversal day is obviously null and void. But they're usually a very, very strong indication. But obviously nothing is 100%. So we shall see about that. But if we start to drop off again, then I'd be looking for weakness to come in on those indexes. If we break these highs, then it's probably a little way off yet. Okay, I shall leave it at that, nice and quick today, and back in touch the end of the week.